Hei hi Akashvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achiar tu si lian sang puya. Rampum huapin National Voters Day voin khan manani. Mizoram State Boundary Committee on Chairman Home Minister Puke Sabdang Hovin voin khan an thukhom. President Rupadim Rumui chuan voin khan in thanafel file tra ne thena tura thok tha ta hena Best Electoral Practices Award sang somni pathuma sem. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan Uttar Pradesh sa Bulan Shah Masonna project cheng viable chesing khatle sang ko hu hong. Rampum huapin National Voters Day sangni somni pali voin khan manani National Voters Day sangni somni pali lomna program hi Aizawl chuan Assembly Secretariat Conference Hall Larsap Dr. Hari Babu Kamambati hova manani National Voters Day pula high school higher secondary school zilla te zinga NVD competition on essay in painting loman dong tu te hena loman governor hena hlan ba ka BLO na thok thazol te hena BLO award asem ani Larsap chuan Election Commission of India na tho thada wangin India ram chu democracy ram hlotling democracy ram dangte tan po o oma asiam me kaniati Mizoram in than pelo ma chon thin dan chu chunzom chuan omati thu soin hlotlin ro puitak alom theinan hian zorami puite kotang shuai tu te ko ran le NGO ang 10 state election office shatakin an thlop thidani ati National Voters Day program hian governor chuan in than lai duty zinga nuna chanta mi pali te awi thu soin anin pek no hlutak chu chuan ati thu asoi ani.
Today, our country's credibility as the largest and most successful democratic nation is recognized worldwide. Since independence, free and fair elections have been held at regular intervals as per the principles enshrined in the Constitution, electoral laws and system. The Election Commission of India, which is one of the pillars of Indian democracy, has demonstrated exemplary commitment to strengthening democratic values in tune with the changing times.
Lunglea chuan National Voters Day lomna polling convention center auditorium hun manani district election officer le borsab ni bok piramdin le ni chuan amman pui ani he huna hian vote thak poimo na essay le painting in labo sayati tha te hna loman hlan ani Aizawl DC Conference Hall National Voters Day polling Aizawl borsab district election officer ni bok pukela ro tluan man puya Mami DC Conference Hall puviel remliana district election officer le district borsab chuan man pui boka National Voters Day pola higher secondary school zirlai te tana essay le painting competition loman le best BLO lomante semngalani longkaya chuan National Voters Day hi DC Conference Hall manani longkai DC pu chimala siva gopal reddy chun hunman puya National Voters Day sani somni pulipola essay le painting competition bot seti thazwate hena loman semani saitula chuan National Voters Day polling DC Conference Hall hunman ani zirlaiten mani inding tok takle nuam ti taka exam ma chon theina na Prime Minister Narendra Modi rohman asiam pariksha pe charcha polin ka le thotan ni khian Bharat Mandapam Pragati Maidan New Delhi hun manani dona heuna tel tur hian Mizoram atangin school no pangpani root lalfak omi pushpak KVS pol ko zirlai Aizawl Republic veng le thang warnal haukip MZU KVS pol ko zirlai Aizawl ramrikon te chuan nimin khan Aizawl an chua san State in Changa school no pang tel to the Ministry of Education le NCRT tangkopin mygov.in portal multiple choice questions mangin khan chu ani Mizoram atanga tel tur school no pang te hi ni kum December ni sompani tang khan anotli film chanto ani school no pang khan chu te hi Education Department thokten kalpuya Prime Minister nen anin komdona anin komna hi Akashvani PMO website du darsan mygov.in le MOE social media te live page chu ani ang Kendra Videlaya Aizawl Principal Pujai Bir Singh chuan Akashvani hena pariksha pe charcha chu Prime Minister Narendra Modi malakna thatakani thuasoya zirlai te chu hlim takle jang khai taka exam ma chon turin Prime Minister chuan afui thu asoi ani
Charcha as a good initiative which has been started by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. He tells all the students that examination should be celebrated as a festival. And as we are very happy during the festivity of these occasions, so we should be very happy, we should be stress-free during examination. So I think that this initiative of our Prime Minister is a good thing where students may handle the stress of examination.
Mizoram State Boundary Committee chuan Chairman Home Minister Puke Sabdang Hovin Directorate of Forensic Science Laboratory Conference Hall avain khan am chukhoma Home Minister chuan ramrihim tak mi puite thamuang taka an khosak thena tur nor chua chu an thu pui barani thu soin Thenom State tenena lungrual tlana tur an zona poimo thu soya sarkar ma sa malang na te chu za omati thu soin an ngai poimo hle bokti asoi ani voina sut khom a hian sarkar ma sa hun toblama Mizoram sarkar le Assam sarkar in dona kal tlong lai Mizoram in than pui nei dona wanga cholai lok chu thar tho tura malak tha ti ani a he baka hian ramri chungchanga ngai dan sang omte soi honi in hunam chang ma sebera thut khom le ni se anti ani voin thut khoma hian Environment Forest and Climate Change Minister Boundary Committee Vice Chairman ni bok pulal than sanga Chief Secretary Dr. Inu Sharma DGP Poninu Sugla Baka Boundary Committee Member Zinga MNF ZPM MPCC AAP BJP MZP MSU Central Wayme MUP MKHC JSC on ILRFDI at Antela Rambi chungchanga mithiam som bik tele Home Department official Antela pole party sang ayo te chuan ramri boina chin felani in remna nei thuayan du thuan soi ani National Highway 54 kongpui sial na thome ka zobok khuwa jang dom na dong to tun thlenga an chen na in la thia dulo te chu voin khan district ne tu ten in seng hoi turin an hria tir non le tun bak chu ngaidam na omlo tur thuan shil NS 54 kongpui sial na thoin an chen na in asu chia dona wanga jang dom na la to zinga an chen na in thena tur thu pek eviction notice pek to voin thlenga an chen na in la thia dulo le in seng hoi dulo mi somthum pakhat chu lunglei district competent authority for land acquisition ayo in additional DC putoni lorot sang le settlement officer pu vanal rawate chuan vein khanan indika in seng hoi tole in seng hoi mek te chu atam jok ni ma se thu pek poi salo mitlem te lo omin chung mi te chu district ne tu te chuan an chen ina an kalchila har satna an ne te zot fi in voin ba khun an pek thei tolo tur thuan shilani compensation na to anin le lo thia tura hria tina dong to te hi zo bok nota mi som paruk le zo bok chawta mi som panga an vain mi som thum pakhatan ni lungai district ne tu te chuan NH 54 kongpui sial na thok tu NHID sial te chu Prime Minister's Office chuan kumin mars tharal mange ya kongpui sial na thok zo turin a hria tir wangin NHID sial te chuan harsana an to te Prime Minister Office an thena zang na damna an don za talung olo district ne tu te hne na zol ko te chu an din hun an non sak vek an ni to an zol ko ne te chu hlomin NHID sial hne na an thelu don ani Chanchinthar hi Akaswani Aizawl changa puan ani Sarkar lai pe scheme sang mi puite hna shil fiana VBS Y campaign to Serchip district an ethun zamani Voin Khan Serchip urban town area Serchip VC1 Serchip VC6 VC8 te hun manani VBS Y campaign hi zolnom adi block Mamit Luang Pola ne ni boka naktu khian Mamit district a chuna top nan West Pailang khuwa nei tum ani President Draupadi Murmu chon Voin Khan in thana fel file tra ne thena tura thok tha te hena Best Electoral Practice Award sani somni pathuma sem tu soim pi murmui chuan Election Commission of India chon ram chunga me puiro rel konga na tangkai thaka thokati voter data na share na ne konga ma alana sa hle kumina general election ne ani tu thu soin pi murmui chuan rampuma polling booth nuai som pani chong semani donati voter hi viable som ko prok chong omin Election Commission chuan voter tenen in somna thane turin kongsang sangin ma alani ati Election Commission chun technology lam mangtang kai turin ma ala zel donani atibok President hian state the district level officer in khanale akai noya na thok tha khan choten hena choi moina hi ahan ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan Uttar Pradesh sa Bulandshahr Masona project cheng viable thasing khade sam ko hu hong heng project te hi rail kong pui 12 thele gas urban development and housing lam kai noi te ani pomodi hian kilometers are some sari pathuma thui rail line new Khurja to new Rewari in Karami honga nebaka hian Bonapur rail station ni hong boka voina rail kong honthar hi western le eastern dedicated freight corridor in Ponat ti changklung turani hebaka hian Prime Minister chuan Mathura to Parwal le Chipiana Bozok to Dardi section in Karaka in Kalpona to rail kong po ahong hal ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan tun pathiani khina kasfania man ki baat program mangle dona mizo tongre lin chunjamanga tun tum hi episode za pakona tur ani ang Chanchinthar serti topna na tang pui rampum huwa pin National Voters Day voin khan manani Mizoram State Boundary Committee chon Chairman Home Minister Puke Sabdang Hovin voin khan am chukhom President Draupadi Murmu chuan voin khan in thana fel file thane thena tura thok tha te hena Best Electoral Practice Award sani somni pathuma sem Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan Uttar Pradesh sa Bulandshahr masona project cheng viable sa sin khande sang ko hu hong chu ti song chu Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani